Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm excited to share with you how to book flight tickets online using the Cebu Pacific mobile app. Let's dive right in. Open the Cebu Pacific app on your mobile. On the home screen, tap on the Search Flight button. On the next page, enter your departure and destination cities, travel dates, and the number of passengers. Tap on the Search Flights button to see available flights. Browse through the list of available flights and select the one that best suits your needs. After selecting your flight, select a bundle for all flights and then tap on Continue button. Next, fill in the required passenger details, including names, contact information, and any special requests. Double-check the information to ensure it's accurate and then tap on the Continue button. Now, you'll be prompted to choose any add-ons such as baggage, meals, or seat selection. Make your choices and tap Continue. Next, proceed to fill out your payment method. The app supports various payment methods, including credit or debit cards, PayPal, and other local options. Once the payment is successful, you'll receive a booking confirmation along with your e-ticket via email and within the app. Make sure to save this information for your travel. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.